In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear content and formatting in Google Sheets. Whether you're preparing a spreadsheet for a fresh start or simply want to tidy up some data, knowing how to efficiently clear content and formatting can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into this simple yet crucial task that can make a big difference in your workflow. First things first, let's open a Google Sheet. You can either open an existing one or start with a new sheet, depending on your needs. This can be quickly done by navigating to Google Sheets through your browser and selecting a document you want to work on. Once you've got your sheet open, we're ready to proceed. Next, you'll need to highlight the cells that you want to clear. In this example, we're going to select cells from A1 to I14. To do this, simply click on cell A1, hold down your mouse button, and drag it across to cell I14. A quick tip: if you're working with a larger data set, you can speed things up by holding down the Shift key and clicking the final cell in the range you wish to highlight. Now, with our cells highlighted, we're going to move on to clearing the formatting. Look at the top menu bar and find the Format button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked Format, you'll see several options. We're interested in the one that says Clear Formatting. Clicking this option will remove any existing formatting like bold text, special fonts, borders, or colors, and revert the cells to their default look. This step is crucial when you want your data to be free from any previous styling that might impede new additions. The last step involves clearing the content itself from these selected cells. With the cells still highlighted, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. On some keyboards, this might be the Backspace key instead. This will remove all the information within the selected cells. You'll notice all your text, numbers, and any data will disappear, leaving those cells completely empty. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've just cleared both the content and formatting in a set of cells within Google Sheets. This technique can keep your spreadsheets clutter-free and make room for new data. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go over these steps again to get comfortable with them. Thank you for joining me, and happy spreadsheet organizing.